Sagarika Ghosh, Member of Parliament of the Trinamool Congress, joining us this morning. Good morning to you, Sagarika Ghosh. What do you see happening on the ground in Bengal this morning? Some complaints about CCTV. Has the Election Commission been able to respond to the questions raised?
The Election Commission throughout this election has functioned as the B team of the BJP, as the 12th man of the BJP. The Election Commission is a constitutional failure. Gyanesh Kumar is a constitutional failure and he needs to be impeached. Having said that, there have been many irregularities that have come up. We saw that power was shut off in some counting centers. We saw that VVPAT slips were lying on the ground. We saw a couple of days ago, you saw that the strong room in the Netaji Indoor Stadium had been opened without the consent of the party representatives. So naturally, the Election Commission is failing to conduct the elections properly, and Gyanesh Kumar will go down in the annals of history as a complete constitutional failure.
Now, having said that, we had the Chief Electoral Officer of Bengal, if I may, Mr. Manoj Kumar Agarwal, joining us, and he said all the CCTV footage that your party leaders have put out showing blackouts in the strong rooms is just basically the switchover of electricity from direct power to backup power.
No, but they would say that, right? What can we expect? This compromised, corrupt, completely puppet of the regime, this complete failure, this complete crooked election commissioner to say? What can we expect him to say? He's a crooked guy, and he's a puppet of the regime, and he's a compromised election commissioner.
But Sagarika
is not ensuring a level playing field. Anyway, having said that, these are very early trends yet. What we're seeing, I see flashing on your screen, and the Trinamool Congress is heading towards a significant victory.
Every step of the way, Ms. Ghosh, you've taken the Election Commission to court. Your allegations haven't really held out in many of these cases. Do you think even the Supreme Court is compromised?
Navika, the fight is for constitutional democracy. The fight is for separation of powers. The fight is to preserve our democratic structure. It doesn't matter who's in power. The issue is that democratic structure must endure, because if the democratic structure does not endure, India ceases to be an electoral democracy, a functioning constitutional democracy. This is a much larger battle than which party is in gaining or losing. The fact is the BJP is consistently misusing every arm of state, from the Election Commission to the Enforcement Directorate.
But that is exactly the point I'm making, Sagarika Ghosh. If the matter has been adjudicated by the Supreme Court, do you still have doubts? Number one.
The matter has not been adjudicated by the Supreme Court, Navika. The fact is the impeachment motion was signed by 193 MPs. It was submitted to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha and the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. It was not accepted on various grounds. We have, as you know, submitted another impeachment motion against Gyanesh Kumar, because Gyanesh Kumar has to go.
But Ms. Ghosh, on the ground, I want to talk about the result. I want to talk about the early leads that are coming in, and it seems like your party is trailing. It's 125 to the BJP, 88 to the Trinamool, including in seats in Calcutta, Greater Calcutta, Howrah, Hooghly, where the BJP has never made inroads. It's suddenly leading. It's breaching that firewall.
Please, let's wait. This is not a pantomime show. This is not a traveling circus. This is a very serious matter of India's constitutional democracy. Let us wait. Let us have patience. Rounds are counted slowly. Let us be clear on how rounds are counted. We don't even know where these trains are coming from.
Are you saying, Ms. Ghosh, if the Trinamool Congress does not win, democracy will be in danger? Are you saying willy-nilly?
The fact is constitutional democracy has been compromised every step of the way. However, the people are with us. The people's will is with the Trinamool Congress, and of course we will win. Because in spite of the use of force and the massive misuse of agencies, the people have triumphed. That's another point.
But Sagarika ji, the point is that even Rahul Gandhi called out Mamata Banerjee and her government for corruption and saying it is because of the TMC that the BJP has got
I can't comment on any other party. What their leader says. They are fighting us on 294 seats. I have no comment to make on any other party.
They are a member of your alliance at the national level.
At the state level, we are not in alliance. We are fighting 294 seats against the Congress. So I have nothing to say on a rival party. But I would say that please let us wait. Please let's not reduce this to traveling circus. Let us wait. Let the EVMs get open. Let all the rounds be counted, and then I'll come back to you with a final result.
All right.
Thank you very much for joining us this morning on this broadcast, Sagarika Ghosh of the Trinamool Congress. But I just want to ask you, Nila.